Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and today we're going to change the third brake light bulb on our '07 Mazda 6 sedan. You need any parts for your vehicle, click on the link below and head on over to 1aauto.com. I'm going to open the trunk first, and this particular model has a electric button. Pops the trunk. Third brake light location is in the center, and the socket for it is right here. So you can disconnect the connector first by pushing down on that tab and pulling that. Then you're going to grab the socket itself and twist it, pull it out. The bulb was pretty burnt. Just grab the socket and the bulb and pull them apart. That is a 921 bulb. To replace it, you line the piton up, push it in. Locate the socket spot. Put her in there. You feel the three star things line up and twist it. Snaps into place. Then you grab your connector, line it up and push it on.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.